Apple is exploring the integration of AI-powered search engines into its Safari browser, potentially challenging Google's dominance in the search market. During his testimony in the United States Department of Justice's antitrust lawsuit against Alphabet, Apple's Senior Vice President of Services, Eddy Cue, revealed that Safari searches declined for the first time last month, attributing the drop to increased AI usage. Cue stated that Apple is actively considering adding AI search services from companies like OpenAI, Perplexity, and Anthropic into Safari. However, he noted that these services probably won't be the default yet, as they still need to improve. This development raises concerns for Alphabet, as it could significantly impact its core search business and the substantial revenue. Estimated at $20 billion annually, it pays Apple to remain Safari's default search engine. Following the news, Alphabet's stock plunged over 9%, while Apple's stock also dipped by approximately 2%. Apple's move reflects a broader trend of integrating AI into its services. The company has already partnered with OpenAI to incorporate ChatGPT into Siri, and is exploring other AI collaborations. These initiatives underscore Apple's commitment to enhancing user experience through advanced AI technologies. As AI continues to reshape the digital landscape, Apple's exploration of AI-powered search options in Safari signifies a strategic shift that could redefine user interactions with web browsers and search engines.